Artisanal palm oil processors produce about 70% of palm oil sold on the local market in Ghana. Few processors produce good quality palm oil for consumption, while the majority make inedible oil, which is sold to local soap processors and informal markets. The poor quality of the palm oil produced by these processors is as a result of high free fatty acids, as well as unhygienic and unsustainable practices associated with the milling process, which is mainly manual and usually involves many hands.
First, no, na mrebi anka ye ho tie ye no senya epebia. Ya bani begu fam no nsu atapro no ne asesa ne anoa ye nhwe the outcome.
To support Ghanaian artisanal processors and owners to enable them to produce good quality palm oil, Solidaridad, under the second phase of the Sustainable West African Palm Oil Program, trained 6,805 to promote high-quality food safety standards among these oil palm producers.
Ansana Solidaridad baba no na menu anase meye enwo be say 7 drums 1 month. 7 Solidaridad ba mu no a be kire ya kwampa ye fa so ye afu no say mitimi ye 40 drums 1 month.
First me am abeni bu from here ben April. The Solidaridad by no ma kire me say this am ma abeni here ben e bu from na here ben April nti ama eduma na here ben na here ben e possible.
At a bedroom baby no ebenya NGO be from Solidaridad. Ama mo sha ase se mo ma ye hu se ne ayeye no ya ye dibi eni anu mo dibi ana etukwan so kwachi nti niama efri mu ba no e de yare eba nti no esese yesua kwa efa so ayeye enwo papa.
In collaboration with the Food and Drugs Authority, Solidaridad organized a series of training on the good manufacturing practices and food safety and hygiene for oil palm mill owners, artisanal oil palm processors, and equipment fabricators in the central, western, eastern, and Ashanti regions. The training provided participants with knowledge on hygiene, sterilization, and digestion of palm fruits, identifying food safety hazards during processing, the use of potable water for palm oil processing, waste handling, test management techniques, cleaning and setting of milling equipment, and personal hygiene of workers at the mills, among others.
And our products on the market were not good for consumption. It even resulted in the addition of Sudan 4, which of course has raised a lot of concern. Today, as I can speak with FDA and Solidaridad, much knowledge into production, quality production, has been given to us as oil palm producers.
So that na mama hum say bibiala me bia na ye chro to ho omo na ma ye hu ye omo na be ma ye hu say ye say ye enwono tentem na ayede na fe so ayefe na ba bia ye enwono so no eno bebre ho ma yasesam ama asese ayeyi asen kane no kane na etimi kura de tai no abe omo se ye nyae omo na ma ye jae tai ye de no abe ene ni oma ehun hia bebre
ne nyina achi no omo aisa ma biogas adachi ye be efiri emusie mu emefe ne pempua ye de eso eja ne nyina no dachi be firi mu a ye be use gas no because gas no so ye nkopɛ fi bia effluent na ye koto agu keke no e wo ye dwuma no eno na omo abɛyɛ ho tank amaya.
To ensure that processors and millers are adhering to regulatory requirements, Solidaridad, in partnership with the FDA and the Environmental Health Unit of the various municipal and district assemblies in palm oil producing districts, trained officers of the unit in good manufacturing practices to equip them with the requisite skills to ensure effective monitoring and of the operations of artisanal millers.
Kakra no FDA nhihye omde amaye no ibuso eye na mejide say mfie kakra we yanimu no ne aka bia ye peye fi say on pese nya warehouse a ɛho no yɛayɛ wie no yɛhɔ yɛ neat a yɛ package a ɛfi biara nkom na afei certificate a ɛbɛboa ma yɛtumi ne international communities no ayɛ adwuma ne yɛraise yɛn capital no ɛyɛnum nyinaa yɛ ntete a FDA ɛnam Solidaridad so ɛde ama yɛn a yɛgu so ɛde yɛ adwuma.
The Food and Drugs Authority is looking forward to enforcing compliance in the industry by ensuring that the palm oil mill sites are licensed under a progressive licensing scheme. With this license, artisanal millers and processors will be able to produce to meet the demand of the local and international market.
In fact, I'm so much comfortable and I cherish the work done by FDA and Solidaridad, and I hope more should be given to us. And I believe that with the certification, we will grow to the highest level. Very grateful to everything that Solidaridad and FDA has been able to give to us. And we believe that in the nearest future, we will grow to the highest level.
It is all that omo aba eni abetina yi na yenso yeni eje ho yenim se afia ye bɛyi na omo eside bu fufro ba omo ewire mfie